Welcome back to the second part of this video. In the first part, you were all introduced to how you can create a course website or any website for that matter for free. Now in this video, I'm going to take you through step by step, as explained earlier, how to build a website using the functionalities of Google without having to buy a domain name or pay for web hosting and all the other expenses that goes into web building. So without much ado, let's jump right into it. Now, as you can see, I am on my Google homepage. Right here's my profile. Right now, like I explained earlier, so you go to the Google Apps and you scroll down to click on Google Drive. And allow it to load up. It's loading. Okay, it's coming up gradually. We have to be patient with our internet as usual. Okay, great. It's here. It's still loading. However, you can see all these are still gray, so it's still loading. Still loading. We allow it to load up completely. It's almost done. And okay, a few more seconds to go. Great. So you come here, you click on new. Oh, it's still loading up. You see why 5G? Yeah, we really need 5G to make our life a lot easier. So you click on new, scroll down, click on more, scroll down, and here's your site, Google Sites. You click on Google Sites. It is loading. Loading. You have to be patient with it. It is processing our request to load the Google Sites. Because that is the template upon which we are going to build our personal websites. Okay, so it is almost here. Great. So here we go. This is your foundation, right? The foundation upon which you want to build your website. And if you follow me step by step to the end of this video, you will be able to transform this page to a page that you will come to love. Right? So the first thing you want to do is to give a title to your website. So for this, I'm going to uh, I'm going to create a personal website for myself. Right? If you want to create one for your organization, for a course, for a school, it follows the same step. All right. So I would say Lukman Olushesi. Right. So site name Lukman Olushesi. Do I have a logo? I do not have a logo. So I'm going to leave that But if you were to be creating for a school, for instance, if I want to do anything for Tai Solarin College of Education, I would add the logo of Tai Solarin College of Education onto the site that I'm trying to build. But for now, I'm going to leave that blank. Well, okay. In case you want to add a logo, what do? You click on logo, right? Click upload. Let me just take you through that. Click upload. So you go to pictures or photos or anywhere where you have your, I think I have some things in my download folder that has to do with Tascade. So, okay, here is Tascade logo, for instance. Tascade logo. So I click on it, I open it. Here is it. And you can see that it has appeared beside my website's name. Okay, since we are creating a course website, let me change the name of this website actually. So PDE 5108, right? So, and this becomes teaching methodology, right? So the same thing, I will also title my website page, title my website page. So you want to copy that. You want to copy this, copy, and paste it here. Teaching methodology. Now, having done that, um, you might want to look at this image. If you are comfortable with this image, you can leave it as it is. However, you can change it. Click on change image. You can select image. If you have an image in your folder on your system that you want to make as the background of a website, you can go click on upload and extract that image. However, there are some images here that you can also use. Let's select image. It will give us several options, right? Since we're talking about a course, online course for that matter. So let's look at how this is going to appear behind. Let's see. It looks fine. We can retain it. We can always change it anytime. Do I like this? I think I do. So let's go. So we have renamed our website. We have changed the background. We have given our website a title. So the next thing we want to do is to add pages or icons or whatever it is that we want to add. Now, if you look at the right side of this page, you will see that I have a text box, in case you want to write something on the website page. I have images in case you want to import image on the page. You have embedded, you have drive in case you want to import some items from your Google Drive onto your website. And we also have different layouts, that we can use to customize our website page. You have also functionalities like collapsible text, table of contents, image carousel, button that we can adapt for anything. We would come to see how we can use some of these functionalities later. But for now, we let's look at this. Let's insert this. So because for any course or institution or school where you want to deliver a particular course, we need to know who the teacher is, who the lecturer is. So this might be a page for the lecturer, right? You can use this for maybe the course outline or any other thing that we feel has to be as part of our introductory page to the course we are trying to build a website for. This could be a contact page. But let us start with the lecturer's profile here. So if you click on this, you want to upload an image. Because human being, we are visual animal. Whatever we see, we connect with. So we want to select an image from our computer. So it is loading. Oh, I already have some images, uploaded. So however, let me choose this. I think I look cool here. Let me choose this. Hey, isn't this cool? Yes, I think it is. So you can just choose in a nice image, you know, for yourself, and you are good to go. So this is you can add your name here, Dr. Olushisi Man, right? So here I do not need this particular column, so I'm going to delete it, right? So delete. So you can see I have my beautiful face and my name in that particular column, right? Now here you may want to introduce your course to your students, right? So you also want to upload something to represent that particular course. Okay, so if you have things in your computer that you can download or upload, as the case may be, you also want to do that. Now let's look at this. This I call Akada is just an icon. These are graduation cap. So because in this particular page we are going to connect this to academic activities for the particular course you are building. So we can name this course outline. Course outline. Course outline. Right? So this particular one, click on it and scroll to remove and remove it because we really don't need it. So we have the lecturer or the instructor. We have something to represent the course outline. We are actually going to create pages for the different icons we're creating here. Now, here in any particular course, especially when you're trying to make it online, you need to leave a window by which your students could connect with you in terms of communication. So you're going to put your contact here. So let us select an image because I already have one, I guess. Otherwise, I'm going to go back to upload an image from the system. I don't think so. So if I click on photos, I still don't think I have it here. So let me go back, cancel this, come back here, click on upload. Instead of select image, you click on upload. So it will take you to your computer. For me, I have already created the images I'm going to use for all these pages. So you can do the same. So I have done uh, course outline. Yeah, I think there's also need to create a course calendar. It's like a timetable, for how the course is going to run for the entire period, maybe a session or a semester, as it were. So you create a calendar, a page for calendar, right? And already this is a calendar icon, right? So we can call this course timetable, timetable, right? Now you might be wondering, oh, how am I coming up with this? Let me quickly take us through how to create different kinds of icon for our website. Now, if you click on uh, new window, right? Search contacts icon, contacts, contact icon. Okay, fine. So if you click on it, Google would offer you different kinds of icons that you can use to represent contacts. Right? Look at this one. I think I like this one for contacts. So you right click, right? It is loading. Okay, you select it, then you right click and save image as. You right click on save image. So here you are, save as contact icon, right? So it's on your computer. It's on your computer. So you go back to your website you are building. I need to hide this because it is obstructing my view. Actually, it is obstructing my view. I hope I have not closed the website I'm trying to build. Okay, fine. So we are here. I want to change. Okay, this is the icon that I created for course timetable. Now, let me change this. I want to change this. So how do I change this? So remember, we don't need this. You have to remove it. Now you have this, you have that, you have this. Okay, this represents the faculty. This represents your course outline. This represents your course timetable. If you need to add other pages, for instance, I was talking about contacts, and there's nothing, we are not represented, we do not have an image to represent contact here. So you can come, if you feel you need just 2 or 3 other items to connect to your homepage. The one we are creating here would represent the homepage. Subsequently, connecting the different pages to the homepage, we are going to create the profile page for the lecturer. We create the course outline page for the lecturer. You also create a course timetable page, for the course. Now, but before we end this video, let me quickly add. No, this is 4. No, 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 no. 4 is too much. I think 3 is fine. Let me add 3 sets. Sets. Oh, network. Down. Network is down. Okay. Okay, it has inserted 3 additional. No, let's come back. It has inserted 3 additional. So I clicked here and it's inserted 3 additional tabs on our homepage. So let's quickly add another tab. Say for a particular course, we need a lecturer, we need the course outline, we need the course timetable. What other thing? Let's say resources, you know, for further reading. Yeah, I think I like that. Let's go for resources. Resources. Now, I'd already downloaded an icon to represent resources. You can go to Google and get your own resource icon. Right? I'm still on download. It's here on my download. It's on download. Come on, come on, come on. What are you working on? I already have these items on the system. Great. So download resources, 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 resources. Okay, let me see what I have on resources. Or some online resources to represent. Oh, if you have an idea, you want to expand your idea for this particular course, you do further reading. It could be in form of texts, it could be in form of videos, it could be in form of, links to other online or offline resources. So for this, I don't need this. So let me remove it. And yeah, I don't need this to let me remove it. So I have resources, right? Then I need to do contacts, right? Let me upload this contacts. We need to contact our instructor or lecturer, as the case may be. So I come to the contact icon I just downloaded, open it, and boom. See, it gives us several options. You can call your lecturer, you can send your lecturer an email, you can chat with your lecturer, and if your lecturer has a social media uh, profile, you can also communicate via social media. So that's fine. So let's remove this text. We don't need it. This, we also don't need it. And lastly, we want to have the last item on our home page, which I think should be, let me see, well, help. I call this e-learning help. In case your students run into trouble, right? Besides creating a page for online resources, there could also be other uh, areas where you want to clarify some ideas, or you want to schedule a live meeting, maybe on Zoom or on Google Meet or any of the you know online webinar platform. So you can create a page for that and push in information concerning all that. Now, we have succeeded in creating all that we have done here is to create a home page, home page. You can see that the page is looking different, right? It's looking different from the way it was before we started building. So we are going to end this video here, and in the next video we will go through how to create a page and then link each of these items to those pages such that when students or anybody for that matter click on this particular page or click on this particular icon, it will take them to the page. If it clicks here, it will take them to the course outline. If you click here, it will take them to the course timetable. If it clicks here, it will take them to the online resources that you must have provided. If it clicks here, it will take them to your contact details. If it clicks here, it will take them to all other information that you might want to have. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.